Hi everyone, Dom here from Panasonic Europe. In this quick video I'm just going to talk you through how you can get rid of stubborn smells in your Panasonic microwave. It's actually one of the more common aspects that customers often get in touch with us about, and there's a really great way that you can help remove odours from your microwave. Basically what you want to do is get a microwavable bowl, fill it with around 300 millilitres of water, slice up some lemon or lime, and then pop that in the microwave. Then you want to use the micro power button, set it to high and set it to around 4 minutes cooking time. And basically what that's going to do is the lemon and lime is really going to help remove those odours from the interior of your microwave. Once that's finished, wipe the sides down with a damp cloth, and you should find that a lot of the odours have disappeared. For really stubborn smells, you can repeat this process, but hopefully this really helps. If you have any further questions, please consult your operating instructions or get in touch with our team. Thanks.